Dear friends, at first, on behalf of Hollongi Airport Affected Village Development Committee, we would like to express our thanks and gratitude to you all news reporters. Through your esteem, we would like to appraise the Gov of Arunachal Pradesh, Gov of Assam and Gov of India, facing some problems toward Assam due to construction of Hollongi Greenfield Airport in the area of Hollongi and Kokila. First problem was that some land has been occupied in the name of Hollongi Greenfield Airport construction. That is minimum 7 acre land belongs to Bodo community from Assam side. Secondly, some streams like Telephone Nala, Sukan Nala, etc. had been diverted to Hollongi River and Kokila River. As a result, overwater is flooded in Hollongi River and Kokila River. Today, many villages are submerged. Embankment has been broken. Landsliding and erosion occur in many places. Many culverts and bridges have broken. Gov institutions like school, medical sub-center, public health center are also damaged. Many houses and properties are washed away in flood. All cultivable lands are spoiled. So, we would like to appraise the Gov of Arunachal, Gov of Assam and Gov of India to take necessary steps to solve all these problems as early as possible for the greater interest of public. And earlier, we have already submitted regarding this problem like first we submitted this problem regarding this problem to the Deputy Commissioner of Itanagar, Papumpari district, UPA, and we also submitted this memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister, Gov of Arunachal Pradesh, and we also submitted this memorandum to the Chief Minister of Assam, Guwahati, Dispur, to the Deputy Commissioner, Bishwanath district, and this memorandum was submitted regarding this problem to the Chief Secretary, Gov of Arunachal Pradesh, and lastly, we also submitted this problem to the GM of Hollongi Greenfield Airport Construction Committee. So today we would like to request the concerned authority and Gov of Assam and Gov of Arunachal as well as Gov of India to solve and to take necessary measure to solve all this problem which has been facing toward the Assam near the border of Arunachal Pradesh and neighboring villages of Hollongi Greenfield Airport, which is now construction is going on to solve all this problem for the greater interest of public. Thanks.